Flygon, but I'm way too cheap to use TMs and swap it over for it because it's like my fourth best thing. Like, he's like, no.
He's dust and candy.
Oh, yeah, that's a thing. Oh,
You got what, a 50-50 chance? Right?
I guess.
Yes, Patrick.
I don't know. I don't want to waste my stuff. If it was like more than my fourth counter, I think I would consider it a lot more. I mean, I did it for Gengar.
Yeah.
But I don't even think I'm gonna get to it.
So DQ hatch something that I can.
Yeah, it was a G5.
I could do that before I have to.
It was 15 minutes after this one opened.
That's about right then.
So that's like now.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Damn, bad timing. I keep just like using Vice Grip right when I'm already full. Now it's just spamming it. God damn it. Damn it. Oh, never mind, I got that off. Ooh.
Although I also don't want to rush you guys. I mean, you don't get.
I'm definitely taking this run. I don't know about Patrick.
Windy.
This is my worst out of the three. They're just getting progressively worse.
Don't you usually get better? You usually get into your groove.
But the RNG is
I know.
way,
it matters
way
so
worse.
much.
Don't you know how to do this thing that you're doing?
Jeez, Patrick.
Jeez, Patrick, that's not a 1v1. You're
Not even close. Nope.
What happens if you just face tank?
With Moltres?
Yeah, you just lose so much.
Yeah.
I know, that's one thing that's good for me. Is like, my team is really tanky for Pinsir, so I didn't dodge at all.
Yeah.
I basically need perfect dodging with
Yeah.
Moltres.